Hi everyone, so in this CSS tutorial we're gonna learn how you can center a div within a div both vertically and horizontally. Alright, so let's do this. Okay everyone, so in this CSS tutorial we're gonna learn how to center a div within a div. Alright, so we're gonna center this black div within this blue div. Alright, so to do that just go to your code editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code. Alright, so we got this div with a class name of parent blue, and we also got the div we want to center horizontally and also vertically. Alright, we have called this black div to center. Alright, I have linked my style sheet right here, and we got the style.css right here. Okay, so let's go to style.css. Alright, so we got the blue div right here. We got the black div right here. So the blue div has a width of 200, a height of 200 pixels, and the background color blue. And we have the black div with 100 pixels width and height of 100 pixels and background color of black. Okay, so to center this black div horizontally and vertically, we need to go to the parent div. Alright, we need to add display and then add flex. Finish it off with a semicolon like so. So we use display flex to create a flex container. Alright, then we're gonna use justify content center. So we use justify content to define the horizontal alignment of items. Alright, to center this vertically we're gonna use align items and we're gonna choose center. So we use align items to define the vertical alignment of items. Alright, so save this one, go back to the browser, and as you can see we have now centered this black div horizontally and also vertically. Alright, so the second way we can do this, we can skip to center this vertically and just center this horizontally. Alright, so to do that just go to your code editor. So now we're gonna delete this one, display, justify and align like so. So first we're gonna go to the parent box, the blue one. We're gonna add text align and center like so, and finish this off with a semicolon. And then we're gonna go to the black div. So we're gonna go to the black div to center, and we're gonna add display and we're gonna choose inline block like so. Alright, so save this one, go back to the browser like so. As you can see we now have this black div centered horizontally and not vertically. Alright, so this is how you can center your div horizontally. Okay, so the third way we can do this, if you want to vertically align this black box only and not center it horizontally, we can go to the code editor. And first we can just remove this text align center and display inline block. So we are at start position. Let's go back and have a look. And we have this black box in the top left corner. Okay, so now let's go and align this vertically. So let's go back to the code editor. And in the parent div, so the blue box, we're gonna go and add position, and we're gonna add this one, relative. Alright, so that's it for the blue box. Then we're gonna go down to the black div, and here we're gonna add positioning, and we're gonna choose absolute like so. Alright, after that we're gonna add top, colon, and we're gonna add 50%, like so. Add a semicolon, and we're gonna add margin top minus 50 pixels, like so. Click on save, and let's go and have a look. And as you can see, we now have this black div centered vertically. Alright? Okay everyone, so this is how you can center a div within a div in 3 different ways. By centering this both horizontally and vertically, by centering this only horizontally, and by centering this only vertically. Alright? So I hope this helped. Okay everyone, so I hope you successfully centered your div within your div. Alright? So if you want more of these videos, subscribe right here. And also check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.